In today's video, I'll show you how to create shadows in Figma quickly and cleanly. First, open your Figma file and select the object you want to add a shadow to. This can be a button, card, image, or any shape. Now look at the right-hand panel and scroll down to the Effects section. Click the plus icon and choose Drop Shadow. As soon as you add it, you'll see a shadow appear. Click on the Settings icon next to Drop Shadow to customize it. From here you can adjust the X and Y values to control the shadow direction, blur to make it softer, and spread to make it wider or tighter. You can also change the shadow color and lower the opacity to make it look more natural and realistic. If you want a softer UI-style shadow, keep the blur high and the opacity low. For stronger depth, slightly increase the Y value and blur. And that's it. That's how you create clean, professional shadows in Figma in just a few seconds. If this helped you, share the video with a friend and subscribe for more fast Figma tutorials.